Yan. Unboxing tayo, unboxing. Ang ating backup. Para sa ating YouTube. Makasabay tayo sa ating mga YouTuber. Yan. Cellphone siya guys, cellphone. Check natin naman. Hello brother. Hello brother. Good. Check natin naman. Yeah, cellphone. Samsung. Samsung Galaxy 14A. A14.
Don't buy any iPhone. Don't like it.
No, I don't like it.
Because it gives me a lot of shit. I will have a plan. Oh.
It's hard for me to use.
Did you buy online? Or?
Online, Amazon. I buy it on
How
Amazon.
much did you?
$100.
What?
$100. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, this is used phone.
Huh?
This is used, not brand new.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's it. That's a lie.
This is not brand new. This is a second hand used phone.
That's good, right?
Yeah.
This is yours
I will
also,
check. Yeah.
So check it. If it is good, I will buy the same like that.
You see, there's some scratch on the back.
Yeah. They use it,
Means
but
they
you know,
use-
because of when they get a new one,
Yeah.
or when they get a comfort time,
They buy a new one, that's why they sell it.
it looks good, right?
Bumili ako pre. Ha? Hindi, Samsung lang.
Samsung.
Saan ko yung Best Buy?
Online. Ano lang to? Second hand.
Ano nakuha ko sa Rogers, libre ka na po.
Libre lang.
Oo, may data.
Ano?
Sa atin? Ano, Motorola naman.
Motorola.
If it has a battery, that will be fine.
Swerte. So, i-check. Connect natin sa connection. Ayan guys, kumana na na. Ngayon lang tayo ng Gmail. Kaya yung Gmail natin. Lobby sa... Ayan, nakulit na natin sa Gmail. Yeah, proceed na. Okay. 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 Oh, yun. Oh. Ingat din kuya.
Ingat.
Yan, nabili ko sa Amazon. Tingnan natin kung okay. Okay. Ayaw mag-voice mask. Skip natin yan. Next. Ito yung mo. Wala. Kailangan pa ng phone. $2,132. Yeah. Oh, maig na. Done. Yeah, okay na siya. Meron na tayong pang backup sa ating mga pag-YouTube. 100 lang guys sa Amazon. Ito na. Nabaliktad. 64 GB na siya. Galaxy A14 5G. Aga pa? Anong oras ba? Anong oras na sa'yo, pre? Ano ba rito? 5:11 pa. So, ayan. Hanggang dito na lang tayo. Meron tayong bagong cellphone. Bagong luma. See you guys. Kita-kits sa susunod na mga video.